Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Facebook Ads Manager showing zero results. So if you're interested, let's start a tutorial. In this case, the first thing that we want to do here is we want to go ahead and access our Ads Manager account. So guys, just go to adsmanager.facebook.com, log in into our account, and from here we need to know a few things. So if you have or you are experiencing this issue here, which in this case zero results showing on your Ads Manager here, what we need to do is we need to make sure that our date is actually properly set up. So usually at the top right, you have this date here. Let's go ahead and click on it. And sometimes, but this is just for some users, it will be defaulted into yesterday. So meaning make sure to either set this today here or even to the day that you want. In this case, once you've actually done that, you actually forces Ads Manager here to reload itself, and from here on, you go ahead and see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.